What's up, everybody? Welcome to another exciting look at the coolest tech from CES 2025. Well, before I talk about all the interesting tech that SanDisk has unveiled this year, let me tell you one thing. I usually use Spigen products in my daily life, and I went to CES with all of my Spigen products. I thought that okay, I will check all the other brands and maybe there will be something better. Well, what actually happened is I have found nothing better than Spigen at CES 2025. Attending CES 2025 alone was a rewarding experience, packed with cutting edge tech from all over the world. Amid the chaos of exploring booths and events, my Spigen products were my most trusted companions. The ArcField Wireless Charger, ArcPack Power Bank, and ArcStation Pro GaN 65-watt charger kept my devices powered effortlessly throughout the day, proving their reliability in a fast-paced environment. Equally impressive were Spigen's protective cases for my iPhone 16 Pro Max and AirPods 4, offering unmatched durability while maintaining a sleek, stylish design. These products didn't just perform well, they enhanced my entire experience. I visited numerous booths showcasing similar products, but none matched Spigen's perfect blend of innovation, functionality, and dependability. For protection and charging, Spigen is in a league of its own. Simply the best. Next up is the Vantrue E360 camera. Many subscribers asked which camera I used at CES to record videos, so here's the answer. I used this Vantrue E360. Driving to CES has been a journey filled with incredible sights, and the Vantrue E360 Dash Cam added an extra layer of excitement. It handled everything from scenic landscapes to busy cityscapes with ease. The 2K Ultra HD resolution stands out, especially paired with the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which handles changing light better than expected. It's turned my CES journey into an adventure that's both seamless and exciting. Switching to handheld mode is quick and effortless, offering plenty of versatility for capturing moments beyond the road. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for exploring CES booths or recording on the go. The 9x16 portrait mode is a handy feature for instant social media uploads, and its compact design ensures maximum portability without sacrificing convenience or performance. Battery performance is reliable with the Panasonic 18650 batteries, offering up to 4 hours of continuous recording. It's perfect for capturing road trips or event highlights without interruptions. Compact and efficient, it's a dependable choice for creators, ensuring focus remains on recording without the hassle of frequent recharges. The Vantrue E360 Dash Cam is a versatile tool for creators, offering flexibility and convenience. Its excellent performance and portability make it ideal for capturing moments effortlessly, whether on the road or exploring exciting events. Finally, let's talk about some SanDisk products that has made me so excited and I really want to get those as fast as I can. The first one of the duo that I like is SanDisk 4TB Creator Disk Drive. It supports 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate. It comes with a USB-C. Yeah, the USB-C is USB 3.2 Gen 2 and it is actually a desktop external solid state drive. Designed for creators, this collection enhances every step of the workflow. With up to 8 TB of storage, it manages large projects and AI-generated content with ease. Its compact size saves space while delivering up to 4 times faster speeds than a desktop hard disk drive. Backups are simple with compatibility for Apple Time Machine or Acronis True Image. As a bonus, it includes one free month of Adobe Creative Cloud to support creative projects. Okay, finally let's talk about my the most favorite SSD drive, the SanDisk Creator Series Portable SSD. It brings seamless performance to every stage of the creative process. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 and NVMe SSD speeds up to 2000 MB per second, it handles backups and access effortlessly. Built to last with 3-meter drop protection and IP65 water and dust resistance, it's ready for any environment. Plus, it also includes one free month of Adobe Creative Cloud, giving creators an extra boost to bring their ideas to life. Let's forget about everything. When I've compared its price and performance with other brands and products, wow, it actually is a value for money flagship SSD, which feels like dream coming true. So what do you think? Okay, I'm giving away some of my Spigen products as a gift to my subscribers and regular viewers. So what you have to do is to comment in the comment section and let me know which Spigen product do you like the most and why. I will choose a comment based on my affinity towards the comment, but please don't spam cause spammers will get disqualified. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Do I just don't dress the